Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to stop Instagram from accessing your microphone. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want more control over your phone's permissions, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's settings. It's the app that usually looks like a gear icon. Settings is where you can control almost everything on your device, including what each app is allowed to do. Next, scroll through your options until you find apps, or sometimes it's listed as app management depending on your device or software version. Tap on it to open a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now scroll down and look for Instagram in that list. Once you find it, tap to open its settings page. This is where you can see all the details about Instagram, such as storage use, data, permissions, and more. Once you're inside Instagram's settings, tap on Permissions. This section will show you everything Instagram has access to, like your camera, contacts, location, and of course, your microphone. Now here's the key step. Tap on Microphone. And when the option appears, select Don't Allow Access. This completely stops Instagram from using your microphone, even when the app is open. You can always come back and change this setting later if you need to enable it for recording a reel or going live. But for now, it will stay off. And that's it, simple and effective. You've just taken control of your privacy by preventing Instagram from listening through your mic. Remember, it's always a good idea to review app permissions regularly. Apps update often, and new settings might be turned on without you noticing. Thanks for watching.